Dragonflies are fascinating insects that have been around for millions of years. We often see them around ponds, lakes, and rivers where they thrive in the moist environment. They have long, slender bodies and large, intricately veined wings that shimmer in the sunlight. Dragonflies are known for their vibrant colors. These colors can range from striking reds and blues to vivid greens and yellows, making them a delight to spot in nature. Dragonflies are incredibly fast flyers, capable of reaching speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. They are also highly agile, able to fly in any direction, including backwards and sideways, with remarkable precision. One of their most impressive abilities is to hover in mid-air, which they use to hunt for food. Dragonflies are expert hunters, catching their prey, such as mosquitoes and other small insects, right out of the air with their powerful jaws. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about the incredible world of dragonflies and other amazing creatures in nature. Dragonflies are ancient creatures. They have been around for millions of years. Fossils of dragonflies have been found. Some fossils are very large. Ancient dragonflies were much bigger. They had wingspans of over 2 feet. Dragonflies are a link to the past. They tell us about life on Earth millions of years ago. Dragonflies are incredible flyers. They have 4 wings. They can move each wing independently. This allows them to change direction quickly. Dragonflies can fly forwards, backward, and sideways. They can hover and change altitude quickly. They are one of the most agile creatures on Earth. Dragonflies are one of nature's most captivating insects, known for their vibrant colors and agile flight. But their journey from water to wings is equally mesmerizing. Dragonflies have a fascinating life cycle that begins in the water and ends in the air. Their transformation is a marvel of nature, showcasing the incredible adaptability and resilience of these insects. They start their lives in water, where the female dragonfly carefully lays her eggs. These eggs are often deposited in ponds, lakes, and streams, ensuring a safe environment for the next generation. Females lay their eggs in ponds, lakes, and streams, choosing locations rich in aquatic vegetation. This provides the perfect habitat for the eggs to develop and hatch. The eggs hatch into nymphs, which are the juvenile stage of the dragonfly. These nymphs are voracious predators, feeding on small aquatic organisms. Nymphs live underwater for months or even years depending on the species. During this time, they undergo several molts, shedding their exoskeletons to grow larger. They hunt for food in the water, using their extendable jaws to catch prey. This stage is crucial for their development as they need to build up enough energy for their final transformation. When they are ready, they emerge from the water, climbing onto reeds or other vegetation. This marks the beginning of their metamorphosis into adult dragonflies. They then transform into adult dragonflies, a process that involves shedding their nymphal skin and expanding their wings. This transformation is a delicate and critical phase in their life cycle. Once their wings have hardened, they take to the air, becoming the agile and beautiful creatures we recognize. Here are some amazing facts about dragonflies. Dragonflies are great hunters. They catch mosquitoes and other insects in the air. With their incredible agility and speed, they can snatch their prey right out of the sky. They have a 95% success rate when hunting. This makes them one of the most efficient predators in the insect world. Dragonflies can fly up to 35 miles per hour. Their wings beat at an astonishing rate, allowing them to perform acrobatic maneuvers. They can migrate across oceans. Some species travel thousands of miles, showcasing their incredible endurance and navigational skills. You can find dragonflies near water. They are often seen around ponds, lakes, and rivers where they lay their eggs. Look for them in meadows, forests, and gardens. These habitats provide ample food and breeding grounds for dragonflies. Dragonflies have incredible vision, with nearly 360-degree field of view. Their large, multifaceted eyes help them detect even the slightest movements. Dragonflies start their life as aquatic nymphs, living underwater for months or even years before emerging as adults. Witnessing their transformation from nymph to adult is truly a marvel of nature. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about dragonflies and other fascinating creatures.